Finisar is a technology leader in optical communications, manufacturing world-class products that transmit data at the speed of light. For the past 3 decades, Finisar has led the industry with breakthrough optics technologies that improve performance and efficiency in communication networks. They were the first to introduce multi-mode gigabit speeds, CWDM optics, digital diagnostics monitoring, pluggable 100G modules, and much more.
Finisar has a 30-year history of innovation and technology leadership in the fiber optics industry. We were founded specifically to bring gigabit optics into the datacom market. Since the company's inception, we've regularly introduced pluggable optical transceiver modules that have broken industry speed milestones, starting at 1 gigabit, continuing through 10 gigabit and 100 gigabit, and up to the current 400 gigabit standard.
Finisar now proudly presents a powerful new set of tools for the data center called Connectivity Diagnostics.
Digital diagnostics monitoring was first introduced by our company into the market over 20 years ago. It is a fundamental requirement today in the MSA standards defining any optical module or transceiver specification. This simple yet effective idea helps monitor optical module performance and initiate system actions when triggered by a performance-related alarm.
In this video, we're going to provide a demonstration of a new set of enhanced features developed by Finisar and incorporated into the Hewlett-Packard Enterprise line of active optical cables. HPE and Finisar have partnered to bring these enhanced capability active optical cables for use in both Ethernet and fiber channel applications.
Hi, I'm Chris Johnson with Finisar.
Hi, I'm Tim Dick with Hewlett-Packard Enterprise.
We're here to talk to you about Finisar's Connectivity Diagnostics solution. This solution enables faster troubleshooting and quicker installation of active optical cables into your data center. Active optical cables are sometimes known as AOCs, and these AOCs combine an out-of-band signal with LEDs built into the pull tabs to provide a very visual indication of the health of the data center. The out-of-band signal does not affect production data of the AOCs in any way.
HPE further incorporates Finisar Connectivity Diagnostics with HPE Smart Fabric software, providing HPE customers with the highest level of management and diagnostics capability in the industry. HPE has a long history of incorporating HPE Smart Fabric software with HPE Optics. This provides critical network status and now extends this into the active ends of these smart active optical cables.
Now let us go to HPE's Storage Networking Qualification Lab here in Andover, Massachusetts, with Barry Maskus and Vivek Algawar to look at some real-life demonstrations. Finisar's Link Find feature helps locate the far end of an AOC by pushing the pull tab at its near end. The push will make the LED lights of both AOC pull tabs blink at the same rate. There are 3 possible LED light patterns: slow blinking, fast blinking, and lights off. The first 2 patterns allow operators and technicians to identify the ends of adjacent cables when both have been triggered. These patterns are controlled by the length of time you push the pull tab. Finisar's Link Guardian feature turns on the LED lights of the pull tab ends when triggered by any digital diagnostic monitoring a warning or alarm event. They will also turn on when there is a transmitter fault or a receiver loss of signal. In this case, the pull tab LEDs of the 2 ends blink at different rates. The rate is very slow on the side generating the alarm, and a solid glow will be on the opposite end. If you see LED lights alternating between blinking and solid, this indicates that both sides have generated an alarm. Finisar's Link Commander feature allows the system operator to control the Link Find features. The host can trigger the pull tab LEDs of both ends by simply writing to specific bytes in the EEPROM of the near end transceiver via the standard 2-wire communication. The host can also read the status of the connectivity diagnostic at the remote end, thus enabling the host to determine if that end of the link is plugged in and powered or if it has generated an alarm. This allows the host and technicians to more quickly manage changeouts and also further enhances the topology mapping capabilities in their data centers.
We're here to basically demonstrate and explain to you why we have such a belief in this technology and how we think it's going to happen in the future to get integrated into other people's products. The first item is the ability to quickly deploy your equipment and identify the port-to-port connections. There's capabilities built into these cables where we can light up the ports very quickly and you can validate that topology. Secondly, the remote access capability of this. So through Finisar's connectivity diagnostics, they're able to pass health information back on the status of the product. And from that, we can integrate that with our own set of smart fabric tools and basically use that to be preemptive. So if we see an upcoming failure, we can actually use that to go out and light the LEDs so that the customer can basically access and replace the cables while they have downtime rather than waiting for a failure to happen. And third, and I think most importantly, is the fact that this is basically out-of-band signals. So there is no interference with your traffic, unlike fiber channel in the past where we had to take the system down to run this level of diagnostics. Basically, this just sits on the line while it's doing production and you get all this information while your traffic's still traveling. We see that as a great benefit for this technology.
Today, we're introducing connectivity diagnostics, which enables visual feedback in our active optical cables. This visual feedback makes it easier and more cost-effective for network operators, system integrators, and others to deploy, maintain, and troubleshoot active optical cables in data centers where rack cable density is extremely high.
Thank you. We hope you've enjoyed this presentation of how HPE and Finisar are developing the data center of tomorrow.
To find out more information about connectivity diagnostics, Finisar's powerful new tool for the data centers, please visit our website at finisar.com.
HPE and Finisar have been key partners in technology and innovators in the industry, and we are working together to increase the customer experience. If you need more information on this product, please reach out to one of the HPE contacts.